Here's your rare opportunity to own a rustic condo on the Olympia Country and Golf Club. Settle into the living room next to the cozy fireplace as you gaze through the big windows that overlook the beautiful yard and 16th fairway. Enjoy cooking masterpieces in the eat-in kitchen with abundant counter space, cabinetry and a pantry to store your favorite goods, then head into the eat-in kitchen area or the formal dining room to enjoy your creation. The loft is a perfect bonus space that allows flexibility in its use. The master suite is spacious with its own bathroom and access to the back patio where you can unwind in the hot tub after a long day. The second bedroom is nicely sized with a double closet and adjacent to the main bathroom. Appreciate plenty of storage throughout and a generous 2-car garage with convenient access to the laundry room. Inhale the fresh